Alright, now we are going to learn about the next subtopic, which is excretion and defecation. Okay, there are two parts here, which is excretion and defecation. So each one of these brings a different meaning. First of all, we are going to go to excretion. Okay, so what does excretion means? Excretion, it means the removal of waste product from your body. Removal of waste product from body. Okay, waste product here means anything which is unwanted by the body. Okay, anything which causes toxic if it is kept long in your body. So all these are removed through the means of excretion. Okay, now in doing excretion, there are three things, which is there are three organs involved here, which is this is your organs, and each one of these organs would give out certain waste product. Okay, so first one, as you can see here, what is the organ here? This is your lungs. Okay, so your lungs would give out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so if you would want to do a small activity, a simple activity, all you can do is take your palm, put it near your mouth and try to exhale. You would feel there are certain air here. Okay, there are certain little droplets of water here. So this is actually the water vapor that is expelled out. Okay, so you have carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so how do you excrete this one? You excrete this through the process of exhalation, breathing, and through exhalation. Okay, next would be, this is actually your skin. So this is your second part of excretion. Okay, second organ, which is your skin. So what comes out from the skin is your sweat. Okay, if sweat is actually all the byproducts of your body. Okay, so this is all unwanted. So sweat is excreted by the skin through the process of sweating. Alright, lastly would be kidney. Okay, this is your kidney. And kidney, what does kidney excrete? Kidney would excrete urine through the process of urination. Okay, so these are the organs and also the byproduct of it. Okay, as you can see here, this is your organs. You have your lungs, your skin, and also your kidney. Okay, next, what will happen if you did not perform excretion? For example, if you don't go for urination, what will happen to you? So there will be certain problems that you would have to encounter. So some of these problems would be kidney stone. Okay, do you know what is kidney stone? Kidney stone is when okay, so I'm going to write over here importance. Okay, so the importance is to prevent kidney stone. Prevent problems such as kidney stones. Okay, this would be your head problem. So that would be, this is what will happen if you don't take care of your excretion properly. Maybe you drink less water. So what will happen is you would have kidney stone. If you can see this picture here, this is kidney stones. Okay, that means all the urine and all the toxic will be accumulated here and it will become hard. So when it becomes hard, it will be very painful when you go for urination. Right? Okay, now we are done with excretion. Now we move on to defecation. Okay, what is the meaning of defecation? You know? So defecation is actually defecation. Okay, so there are two parts here, excretion and defecation. So now, defecation is actually the removal of feces through the anus. Okay. So we're going to write it over here. Removal of feces through. Okay, now, what is feces? Okay, remember just now when we did excretion, these are all the unwanted waste product, right? For excretion, the waste product you have here is your okay, so we're going to write over here organs and waste product. So the organ that is involved here, as you can see, it is your anus. Okay, it is your anus. So this is where your anus is. Okay, so the organ involved is your anus, and the product that is given out during defecation would be feces. Okay, so you have your organ would be your anus. Okay, next one, the last one would be the importance as well. So what is the importance of defecating properly? You would want to prevent constipation. So if you don't defecate properly, you would have problems such as constipation. Constipation means it's very hard for you to pass motion because maybe there's not enough water and your feces has become too hard and it's hard for it to move through the large intestine. Okay, so these are the things that you have to remember in this chapter.